prospecting. Now, what is prospecting? Prospecting is the act of getting the ideal customer to see what your business is about, right? And I would say an ideal customer or an ideal prospect is somebody who has a problem that you can solve, who is aware that they have a problem that you can solve, and who has the capacity to pay for the solution that you offer, right? Because if somebody doesn't have a problem that you can solve, you're not used to them. If somebody has the problem that you can solve, but is not aware that they have a problem that you could solve, you're going to be too expensive. You're going to be a luxury item, right? If somebody has the problem, is aware, and doesn't have the capacity to solve the problem, to pay for your solution, you're going to be wasting your time, right? So you need to be able to prospect. You need to be able to present to these people and ensure that you get their attention, right? A prospect, like I said, is somebody who has a problem you can solve, is aware that they have a problem you can solve, and can afford the solution that you have.